Here is how to change the password to your Google account. So let's get started. First, come to your browser and then search for myaccount.google.com. Search for this. Then ensure you're signed in with the account whose password you'll want to change. And you can change that on the top right over here. Once this is done, just click on Security and Sign In. That's here. Then scroll down till you find Password. Click on this. You'll have to enter your password once just for verification. And here we can enter a new password. So you'll just have to enter it twice. And then click on Change Password. So here's a list of devices that you'll be signed into even after changing your password. But on all other devices, you'll have to sign in again with the new password. So if you're sure you want to, you can just click on Change Password. And now it's done. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some privacy and security tips, check out this video. Goodbye.